No, my back and my right groin.
Okay, back and right groin. And you're a nurse, correct? So
Yeah.
you're working with patients all day long?
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
Okay, how long's all that been going on for?
Like 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
On and off, on and off?
Yeah, on and off.
1 to 10, where are you at on an average day? So not the worst day, not the best day.
5.
Usually it hovers around a 5?
Yeah.
What is it like after a long shift? After you've been working with people all day?
7.
It could jump up a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, how have you taken care of your back up to this point? What have you done for your spinal health?
I try not to lift heavy things.
So you more avoid than anything. Have you ever been adjusted before?
Once, a
One
long
time?
time ago, like 2 years ago.
Oh wow, okay. You ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Respira. Exhale. Tuck your chin for me. Look down. Mira abajo. Mira abajo. More. There you go. Good. Okay, miras derecha. Look to the right. Yeah. Yeah. Big breath in for me. Exhale. Oh. Mira izquierda. Good. This hand's gonna come around like this. Good. Good. Oh! Those spinal joints can really take a lot of pressure, you know, but they have a capacity. And when they reach that capacity, they're not going to move well or slide and glide correctly. And then that's going to lead to inflammation around the column and the tissue out here, okay?
Okay.
Face me. Like this. Good. This hand up top. Good. Oh! Wow. Yeah.
The other side.
That was a lot of pressure coming off that spine.
Oh, yeah.
Ibuprofen 800 won't do that.
No.
It's a lifesaver when needed, but it won't do that. Good. Big breath in. Roll that hip. Roll that hip. Good. Boca arriba. Grab my hand. Arriba. Big abrazo. Look to your left. Hands on your stomach. Apriete los dientes. Swing your legs around this way. Look up. This is going to reinforce the adjustment, what I just did. Nice. Oh. Woo! Yeah. I'll let you have your moment.
Oh my God. So good.
How was it after your adjustment?
Perfect.
How you
Used
feeling?
to have a burning pain here. It's no longer there. I feel after the first adjustment, it's gone.
Yeah?
It's good. Yeah.
2 years pain gone?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
The benefits of your spine, huh?
It's crazy. No, it's a miracle.
Have a nice day, boss.
Blessing hands. Good.